this little short, I'm going to tell you how, or my way of testing a starter solenoid. So, I wanted to take it out of the car because, you know, it was hot outside. So I took it out and rigged this up. So this is just regular, you know, house wiring that I scrounged up. So you're going to take this white one. This is going to simulate your constant 12 volts to the starter that would be, where is it? In the car. So this one. And then you've got your negative that represents your ground to the engine block.
That's grounded back here.
Yeah, this is a body ground. Yeah, it's grounded to the body. And then this starter trigger is going to simulate your key. So it should click when you set it all up. But this is going to simulate your constant 12 volts to the key, and this is going to simulate the key being turned on. So then what you're going to do, you're going to take your voltage meter and you're going to take your two probes and you're going to put your positive, to start with, you're going to put your positive here. This is difficult. I'll see how people do this with one hand. Move, get out of here. You're going to put this probe here.
Where do you want this one?
And you're going to want this one to be...
I'll do it.
Okay, right up here.
Okay.
You're going to want that one there, and the red one at the starter post, and you're going to want the black one at the top because it's body grounded. So now, Dad, if you'll flip the switch. See, so that means that, you know, you're getting 12 volts everywhere, or at least to the starter post. So now you're gonna hit right here, which is the ignition post that goes out to the coil. So now Dad hit that. So that means when the key's being turned, you're gonna get 12 volts to the coil. So now we're gonna go here. This is where the starter actually engages, or you know, the wire that goes, you know, to the starter. So there's that. Dad, click it. Wait, why isn't that working? That's weird. It's not liking it all of a sudden. Well, what did I do wrong? Try it again, maybe. Yeah, there it is. All right, it went up there now. So, yeah, so this basically means that this is a good starter solenoid, and if you go to your key and you flick it on again and it still clicks or doesn't start, then chances are good that you have a wiring problem, or you know, some kind of bad ground, or your starter's bad.
And we checked it. Check the battery too, to make sure that I'm touching these the right side, right? Before I do this?
Yeah.
Okay. Touching the battery, make sure we got 12 volts to the battery. So we've eliminated the battery being bad to the starter solenoid. The starter solenoid is good. So now the next step is checking to see if we've messed up the starter itself. So we're getting power, we're just running down the line of seeing where the power stops, and where we find where the power stops, that's our problem.
Yep. All right, well, that's a quick, easy way to check your starter solenoid.